If you work as a store personnel in a maintenance organization, you carry the heavy responsibility of tracking tools, locations, and statuses, while also managing the repairs and the calibrations to avoid any delays in maintenance. The current processes to do this is time-consuming and challenging. With MROTools, we offer features that help identify the defects and the calibration needs before they cause a delay in your operations. Plus, tool locations are tracked in real time with detailed information. For example, when a technician submits a defect, it will instantly be available to the responsible store personnel in this location. And then you can handle this defect for quick resolution. Calibration events are also shown in the same location, like this. So they can be addressed promptly, avoiding any maintenance delays.